Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a lettuce while we learn Spanish. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. Now the mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. This that looks like it hair are the leaves. Leaf in Spanish is HOJA. Come on guys, it's looking very good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say lettuce in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's see if you know the answer. Lettuce in Spanish is lechuga. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.